and you say what? Hell no. When you dumb it down the pit and you say what? Hell no. Are you running with this shit? Tell them, say fucking right, I'll break you. And you know you what? Thank you guys so fucking much for coming out, man. I appreciate you. I love every single one of you guys. One request. If you have a drink in your hand, I need you to go crazy when this shit drops. Because this is that God flow. Let's do it.
Remember, I
I was in a dark place, couldn't find a light. Can I hit a lick as if my opinion went alright? Let's go, left side, pop roll, right side, pop roll. Everybody, let's go, left side, pop roll, right side, pop roll. Everybody, let's go, left side, pop roll, right side, pop roll. Everybody, pop roll. Okay. The niggas in my section, whip it, step it. They could be turnovers, but nobody touch it. You a blessing, surrounded by yes men. I'm a leader by selection. Y'all see, you stepping. Bitches and money, keep them separate. Niggas act funny, when they're desperate. Me under pressure, nah, I'm under pressure. First time I seen a million flat and felt electric, I just knew I'm the one that made the music. Flexing on these bitches cause they get my eyes through. Pussy, I'm the artist and the fucking boss too. I be so you flipping like the devil tossed you. All these virgin no designer, don't care what it cost you. You can't even dance, but you make it boss moves. You came out there, but you said it's still a shock too. Get tapping the top, little nigga go so hard. Tattoos on my body, shawty think I'm getting hard. I can't even hit the gym, I'm scared to take the loss, boy. Fell in love with these songs, it was loving first. Fell in love with this shit, it was loving first. I was in a dark place, couldn't find her. Then I hear the niggas in my bed, I wanna fight. Let's go, left side, pop blow, right side, pop blow. Everybody, pop blow. Oh, okay, left side, pop blow, right side, pop blow. Everybody, pop blow. Chill, let's go, left side, pop blow, right side, pop blow. Everybody, pop blow. I appreciate you, man. You have a wonderful night. My name is Nasty C. Love.